Is Etsy just about to have its crown toppled by Facebook? And are Facebook also after eBay and Amazon as well? Now, a while back, I posted a video talking about what is going to be the new Etsy. What new selling platform is going to come out that is going to topple Etsy, that all the sellers are going to flock to? And at the time, I said nobody was going to. Etsy had its toehold because at the end of the day, any new platform that starts up doesn't have the buyers and the sellers. So if they spend the money and work hard to attract the buyers won't stay around because there's no sellers. If they spend the money to attract the sellers won't hang around because they can't find what they want to buy. So it's super difficult to get the toe in the niche here. And even Amazon struggled with this, doing Amazon handmade. They just could not get a toehold. But I think I'm about to eat my words. I think there's a player coming to this selling scene that is just about to take the world by storm. Or at the very least, it's worth keeping a close eye on, because I think this one's going to do okay. And if you haven't heard, it's Facebook. Yesterday, the CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerman, am I saying his name right, made an announcement that Facebook shops are coming to the platform. Now, he didn't specifically mention small arts and craft sellers. This is for everyone. This is in response to the global situation that's happening just now, to help big companies as well. This is, well, to help. Obviously, they're going to make their own money out of this, but it's to help people moving into the e-commerce side of things. I don't know about you, but certainly now how I shop for a lot of things has changed. My local pet shop, I have to go on Facebook every day and they let us know what supplies are in Facebook, and then we message them, buy what we want and come and pick up at a designated time. So that's completely changed from what shopping in a pet shop used to be. And Facebook has recognised this, and this Facebook shops sounds interesting. Now, this was supposed to be rolling out from yesterday. I don't have access to it yet, as far as I can tell, but more and more people will be getting access as it goes on. And the point of this, it's not like Facebook Marketplace, it's not like having your own store on Facebook, where in the past you kind of had to link to your outside shop to get any real sales. Now Facebook are going to host your store and let people buy directly, or there's going to be a Shopify integration here. Facebook and Shopify are working together. And added to this, it's not just Facebook, it's all the brands in their family. So you're going to be able to sell directly from Messenger, which, yeah, sounds horrible, sounds spam city, here we come for a short time. But you're also going to be able to sell directly from Instagram. Again, Instagram have been trialling, in the US only just now, I believe, but they've been trialling Checkout, which is a system for businesses to be able to sell directly from Instagram without the person even having to leave Instagram. You're going to see the item for sale on Instagram and just be able to swipe to buy. Once all your details are in, it's just going to be like a one swipe shop to buy stuff. This sounds dangerous. And that's not even all. They're talking about adding apps, adding features to this. So, like the silly games we've all been playing, this is going to be able to, if you have an item that's some lipstick, in real time it's going to be able to use your camera and put that lipstick on you to show you what it'll look like. It's going to be able to use augmented virtual reality to show you what that throw cushion's going to look like on your sofa. So it sounds like they are super going after the selling online market in every way possible. And the difference between this and every other platform that I've spoke about is Facebook really does have the reach. Many Etsy sellers have a Facebook page for their business as well. Most Etsy sellers have a Facebook page. Most businesses around the world have a Facebook page. Most customers spend some time on Facebook or Instagram. So the sellers are already there and the buyers are already there. So this has a good chance of actually doing quite well. From the details I can gather so far, they have told us that selling on Facebook will be free. However, nothing in life is free, and they're making it very clear that their business model for this is advertising. So it's likely that we're going to have to factor in some costs for advertising to actually get seen. And also, although I haven't seen anything of it yet, and I'm in the UK, so I haven't been involved in the checkout trial yet on Instagram, I assume there will be some level of payment processing fees. Dealing with money is never free, and there'll probably be some fees for that. So probably if we're factoring in payment processing fees and advertising fees, it probably won't be that much cheaper than Etsy. But I'm going to say this is really worth keeping an eye on. I think this could do really quite well. And if it's free to set up and free to run if you don't have any sales, I would say it's probably a good idea for everyone who's on Facebook with an Etsy shop to possibly dive in when they can and set this up for their Facebook page as well. And this is actually a great time to talk about marketing on social media. If you haven't already signed up, I'll leave the links in the comments below. I'm doing a free Etsy webinar next Wednesday, and this is from the ETSU Instructor College. So Etsy are teaching me things for me to pass on to you guys. And I signed up for this not because I work for Etsy, I very much don't. They're not paying me to run the course. I'm not getting charged to learn the information, so I'm giving you a free webinar on the stuff that I learn. If you're interested in signing up for this, there's a link below. Like I say, completely free. So in the comments down below, let me know what you think of this new Facebook thing. Is it cool? Is it frightening? Is it exciting? Are you going to do it? Or would you not touch Facebook and Instagram with a barge pole? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.